Well, greetings my dear YouTubers. Welcome to my channel, Natalia with you. We are in Minsk. It's summer finally, and today is Sunday. There are lots of people all around. Perfect weather started. Great time to visit Belarus, and finally we have few tourists here from other countries. Thanks God, people started to come to Belarus little by little, touching the ground, is it safe or not, and it looks pretty safe. I love evening walks, and today I decided to share with you one place, to show you one beautiful area in Minsk which you have to add to your list must visits in Minsk. And tonight I want to invite you for this virtual walk with me. I will show you this awesome, you see just behind me, awesome water streams, colorful water streams, and moreover there is a concert over there. Follow me, I will show it to you. So look what a gorgeous view. 120 water streams with lights and fantastic music you can enjoy here. I love this place so much and come to this area to sit on the bank of rivers Village quite often during evenings. Sometimes I invite my friends, we grab a cup of coffee or wine even. It's a wonderful place, and I definitely recommend you to enjoy Minsk in this area. At the end of the video I will share with you how you can find this place. Now enjoy the concert. Well, I have an idea. You often ask me, Natalia, please recommend any cafe or restaurant. Where can I meet with a local girl? Where can I invite anyone whom I like? So, what I want to say, that after a cafe or instead of it, you can invite your girlfriend to this place. Look, it's so romantic. She will enjoy it for sure. Now the weather is beautiful, it's summer, so it's awesome to sit just on the stairs and listen and enjoy this concert. It will be a fantastic. Please, if you use my advices in the future, leave your comments down below this video, so that's how I will know that this video was helpful and useful to you. Every evening from 9 till 11, 2 hours of free concerts in the center of Minsk. These concerts will last during all summer and even in September. I hope that if you come in September, you will still be able to enjoy it as well. How to find it? It's in the center, in the heart of the city, as I said, and you can reach it by metro. If you take a metro till Victory station and take a walk till the river Svislach, then cross the bridge till the park of Yanka Kupala. Or if you take a walk in Zivitska Street, you can move forward Victory Square along the river Svislach and you will definitely find this place. Or just take a look at the map and find the park of Yanka Kupala and you will see that water fountains are just there. Welcome to Minsk. Enjoy our city. I'm waiting for you guys in the future. See you in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment down below.